over the Patrick Khel team. In repair of boundary wall scope, at the scope of rehabilitation, the first class brickwork and the existing boundary wall rising is completed at site to enhance security, privacy, protection from external elements. The existing main gate columns will be repaired. The internal rising boundary wall surface is plastered at existing boundary wall for protection against weathering and durability. At new proposed building, struck pointing is completed. Instruction for constructing wash station is given to the contractor at site, including commencement of rehabilitation of existing toilets, where along wash station facilities, wash and hygiene. For aesthetic uniformity, boundary wall is plastered, marble installation on the rim is completed 90%, and cement and mortar struck pointing is completed at the new existing building at the ground floor, first floor outer sides, parapet walls, edges, sides and outer walls in 1:3. The sunny grey marbles are installed on the new proposed ramp to the new building. The struck pointing process complete, preparing surfaces, covering etc. complete in all respect as per specification at the new proposed building of this school. The marble installation directive is given for the new stairs and existing stairs, including the new stairs and main stairs to the ground floor to the first floor. The wall putty work is in progress at the existing building, while at new building the wall putty work is in progress, including the internal classroom, new proposed classroom 4 at the ground floor and new proposed classroom 5 at the first floor. The electrical fixture installation is in progress, including switchboards, and also other electrical fittings will be provided very soon. The wall putty 2 mm work is in progress for surface smoothness. The wall putty helps fill in any imperfections, cracks and undulation on the plaster surface, creating a smooth and even surface which is essential for the uniform application of distemper. It is being applied all over the ground floor and first floor walls, beams, ceilings, soffits. From smooth surface preparation to the better adhesion, providing a well being prepared surface. Wall putty enhances the adhesion of the distemper or paint to the wall, ensuring that it sticks properly and lasts longer. Applying wall putty improves the overall durability of the paint. The struck pointing is complete on the first floor outer walls, the parapet walls as well, as including plastering of rising walls. Wall putty is also applied in existing veranda 1, 26 feet by 9 feet, existing room 1, inside wall 25 feet by 16 feet, existing room 2, rehabilitation 25 feet by 16 feet. Wall putty is also completed. All the beams, ceilings, slabs, walls, the window repairs are remaining. Directives and instructions is given to the contractor to initiate the boundary wall paint activities inside and outside, including outer walls of existing building, and to initiate railing work and installation of marbles on all existing and new stairs. The school will be finished very soon. The plinth protection is completed at backside of the new proposed building and existing building. The first layer of thickness of the plinth protection is 6 inches above the NSL, where in this case leveling and dressing is first initiated before constructing the plinth protection. Plinth protection is essential for safeguarding the foundation from water damage, maintaining structural stability, preventing dampness, and improving aesthetics at the backside of the new and existing buildings. Also preventing the building from. Thank you so much for the progress.